Jamie here from Cosmic Kids. Welcome to Mental Health Superpowers. It's Children's Mental Health Week, so each day this week we're going to try out a mental health superpower that makes your mind happy and healthy. We all have an amazing brain that gives you ideas, helps you learn stuff and makes life fun. And these special superpowers will keep it strong. I've made a really cool download of loads of them that you can get for free here at this link. Get a grown-up to pop their email in and I'll send it to you right away. Okie dokie, our first superpower is all about your feelings. Feeling happy, sad, excited, angry, confused, silly. So many feelings, all of them natural, normal and okay. But sometimes feelings can be really strong and they can take over our brain. So we need a superpower that takes care of our feelings but doesn't let them get too big, just like fish in a pond. Watch this and follow along with me and Jack.
This is Jack. Jack is going to help us today by doing the Zenden with us. First, let's get comfy. Sitting here, cross-legged on the floor, long tall backs and shoulders relaxed. Or, if you prefer, sit on a chair. If you are sitting on a chair, sit tall, both feet on the floor, back nice and long, and shoulders relaxed. Get your position sorted. And when you're ready, take some nice deep breaths. In through your nose and out through your mouth. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Good. After a few breaths, you should start to feel nice and calm and relaxed. Now, I'd like you to imagine that you and your mind is a big, lovely pond. In that pond are lots of different kinds of fish. These are your feelings, all swimming around together. There's a happy fish, a sad fish, a sleepy fish, an excited fish, an angry fish, a worried fish, a playful fish, a calm fish, a kind fish, a selfish fish. So many fish, so many feelings, all swimming around the pond. Your job here is just to be the pond. Be the pond. It's wonderful being the pond because you can just watch all your different feelings just swimming by. All of them are okay. Every feeling is welcome. You be the pond and let the fish be the fish. No need to do anything with those feelings except watch them swimming around. See if you can be the pond now and just watch. Seeing what kind of feelings you're feeling. They just swim past. And you can just watch them. Remember, be the pond. Just be the pond. And if we follow this special Zenden exercise, we are usually okay, just watching all the fish swim around. Except sometimes we might feel like it's hard to let them just swim by. We might stop being the pond and find we've become one of the fish, like the angry fish. And when that happens, we might find ourselves saying or doing something that hurts other people. But we're not the angry fish. We're the pond. Be the pond. slowly we start to come back to the here and now. Isn't it interesting how many different kinds of fish we all have swimming around in our pond? So we practice just being the pond. And when you feel like one of your fish has taken over, just say to yourself, be the pond. This will help you come back to having all your feelings just swimming around happily together. Thanks, Jack, for your help today. And thank you for doing this Zenden. You really are becoming a true Zenden master each time you practice. I'll see you again soon for more Cosmic Kids Yoga and Mindfulness. Bye-bye.
I hope you found that helpful. For loads more mental health superpowers, download your free pack now.